now. And they're up. Loving Me draws for your lead, 22 Karat. Now moving up by the rail to take the lead, Bodak Rem. Moving up on the outside to take second. Then comes Junel under valiantly. Little Miss Hot Shot, and trailing the group is Asking Right as they race towards the last 600. 22 Karat in command, running on the outside, Bodakrem, then racing in third, Loving Me, followed by 4A, and that's Junel under, Little Miss Hot Shot running third, last, second, last, valiantly, and Asking Right is running at the tail of the field as they turn for home. 22 Karat, still out in front by about a length and a half. Running now in second is Loving Me, Bodakrem, Little Miss Hot Shot. And down the stretch, letting the finish line, 22 Karat with Kelvin B. Abobo still looks good in front by about 3 lengths. And finally, 22 Karat, second, Loving Me, Little Miss Hot Shot valiantly. Then comes 4A Chunel under, Asking Right, and Bodakrem.
4512.